Hey, what's going on? And I hope this video finds you well. Today we're going to talk about 8 motivational cleaning tips to help you achieve your goals. But before we do, let me properly introduce myself. My name is Amber Swanson, and this is Royalty Cleaning Company. Let's dive right in on 8 motivational cleaning tips to help you achieve your goals today. Tip number 1 is definitely going to be rearranging your furniture or the outline of your home. This will help you make it feel more spacious, more alive, and just fine-tuning things, just fine-tuning the room with things you already have. It'll help you with your pockets, so you're not financially struggling to keep up with the visual of something that is like, okay, this ain't realistic. Okay, so cleaning motivational tip number 2 is definitely using a timer to your advantage. Now, the basic time frame we're going to talk about today is using 30 minutes to your advantage. And the reason why 30 minutes, because you can get a lot done, but what helps keep you motivated the most is doing it in 10-minute increments on whatever task you have at hand. See what you can do in 30 minutes, and if it's like, okay, 30 minutes is too much, break them up into 10 minutes and go from there, and I bet you will be so excited and so motivated to do more. But utilize whatever time you have. Just starting with 30 minutes, it'll take it to a whole nother level. Okay, tip number 3 is definitely zoning out. When I clean, I zone out because it helps me gather my thoughts. It allows me to think more about what I'm trying to accomplish or what I'm trying to do, especially from a business standpoint. And I always want to learn new things. I'm a sponge wanting to learn whatever I can to help share value and bring positivity and light to the world. And in knowing that, zoning out is going to be your best friend, because you can listen to TED Talks, podcasts, music, anything you can think of. Zone out, so you're not thinking about the mundane thing of cleaning, and instead you're focusing on whatever that thing your brain is giving its attention to. Okay, so tip number 4 is definitely one of my favorites that I use across a lot of aspects of my life, and that is rewarding yourself. I can't say enough the value of rewarding yourself, because it allows you to get excited about the next task, but also saying, yeah, I did that last task that I accomplished, and now I should reward myself, whether that's ice cream, binge watching whatever show. Those are things that I like to do to reward myself in whatever task that I've set out, I conquered, I achieved, it's mine, done, rewarding myself. Okay, so cleaning motivation tip number 5 is using social media to your advantage. And with this, it allows you to visually see what your goal is and then achieve it and accomplish it. So an example, that a place that I like to go to the most when I want to visually see something is Pinterest. Pinterest allows me to up my game on rearranging the furniture or changing different color schemes in my house and beyond. YouTube is another great place if I'm trying to learn something new, and with cleaning or just anything. It's free content, free information to help amp your game up, which I'm all about. Okay, so tip number 6 is definitely teaming up or hiring help. Now, with teaming up, you're going to want to squad up with your people in your house that you can delegate tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated to get whatever cleaning tasks or things that you've set out to achieve. You'll tackle them and conquer them and become the amazing person that you are. And with hiring help, there's nothing wrong with that. Even if you can't afford a reoccurring service in your area, guess what? Just do a one-off. And I recommend this because cleaning can be overwhelming when you don't personally know where to start. So find a service that accomplishes the task that you want, so that you can reset that button and start fresh to start maintaining your home on your own. That's the importance of hiring help and doing one-off. But if you can't afford recurring service, you let that company know what you're looking for so they can customize to tailor to your cleaning needs. And so cleaning motivation tip 7 is definitely going to be setting or having good cleaning routines. That's something that should motivate you and get you excited enough, because if you focus on the bare minimum of 4 tasks a day, that should motivate you in knowing that you're maintaining the cleanliness of your home, and it gets you excited. It gets me excited because I can focus spending time on things that are important to me, rather than taking so much amount of time of just cleaning in general can just drain a person. And most importantly, this is the creme de la creme of the cleaning motivational tips, is definitely do it for yourself. If you're not going to do anything for yourself, set out a goal, achieve it, conquer it, but look back and say, I did that for myself. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like this video and share it with somebody who can definitely get pumped up, motivated to achieve those goals that they have in hand by sharing it. And in doing so, that's going to help make the world a less stressful, overwhelming place. And if you love this kind of content and you want to know more about how you can continue to see more hot videos like this, you're going to want to subscribe, because we got plenty more coming. And if you have some type of cleaning regimen or you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the description box, because I want to answer them. I'm like a freaking sponge. I want to learn, I want to teach, and I want to help people grow and to become better versions of yourself. If that's the journey you want to be a part of, go ahead and join this community and subscribe, because we're moving forward and we're not looking back, buddy. So go ahead and check out the next video. It's going to blow your socks off. Go ahead and do it. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed, and I'll see you next time. Take care.